Hello everyone! This time we're going to do box opening of 1996 Puppen by Annette Himstedt. And what we have here are Lena, Morgana, and Charlie. So we're going to start with this one. Okay, we're gonna start with this doll. This one is Charlie. Sorry. It says Charlie and he is number 2639. Let's go ahead and open here. Okay, so as you can see here, there's Charlie, and then there's another 1996 doll, Marley, and Lena. So there are three 1996 dolls or Puppen pictures in the box. Alright, I'm gonna open this one. Alright, so what do we have here? We have... Okay, so it looks like this is the... Looks like this is the receipt for the purchase, and it shows a total of $685. And we have here Charlie from 1996 collection. Charlie is a 5-year-old representing Chicago, Illinois. He has brown mow hair in curls and blue eyes. Charlie is a Dolls Award Excellence nominee. So it has the height of 22 inches, waist 12 and a half, torso is 8 inches, and all other information about this doll. And at the back, what is this? It says suggested retail of this doll when he was issued in 1996 was $685. All right, and this is his picture and his name, and this is where it shows it says individual certificate Charlie. Charlie is a small, shy boy brimming with curiosity from Chicago, USA. He is an original Annette Himstedt Puppen limited to 1 year only. And it says he is 57 cm tall and has blue eyes, and he is about 5 years old. His ginger brown hair, mohair, is hidden under a cheeky leather baseball cap. So let's check him out. Okay, another one that shows a certificate here or authenticity. This doll is an original Annette Himstedt Puppen. The edition is limited to 1 year only. Once production of an edition is finished, I destroy all related utensils. So that is his COA. And so this Charlie is from the US. He is American. Okay, let's remove this one. Wow, look at that leather shoes. I love that shoes. And I bet there's also signature. Yes, there's a Annette Himstedt signature there. And oh, his eyes are not pink. I'm so happy with that. It's always like that's like the thing that I was scared of when I open an Annette Himstedt doll, that their eyes might be turning pink, but his is not. He's got blue eyes, and his mohair wig is really nice. It has the curls too. Look at that. And there he is. So this is Charlie. So now I have a second boy in the collection. He has also vinyl legs and cloth upper part of the leg and lower torso. Its very small part is cloth. So these are all vinyl, and the cloth feels like it's just in here, just this part. And he has the same articulation in the hand, where it has like a little cloth in here with wire, or kind of like an armature, so that his hands can be moved like that, like that. Oh, he's actually cute. So this is the second boy that I opened. So I'm gonna let you sit here. That is Charlie from 1996, Puppen. And then what we're gonna do next is Lena. This is Lena. And I'm going to open this box as well. What does it say in the box? Alright, so the shipper says Lena, and it's number 3264. And it also shows there 1996. So let's remove this one. And okay. We're gonna remove this one here. Oh, this one is the box is in great shape except this one. So there is a little bit of scratch in here in the box. So Lena's box is the same box as Charlie's. It also has Charlie, Marley, and her. Lena. Alright, let's remove her from the box. She also has her certificate of authenticity here. Same thing as Charlie's. And this one says Lena is from the 1996 collection. It says Lena is a 5-year-old representing Germany. So she's German. She has blonde mohair in 2 curl ponytails and blue eyes. Lena is a Doll of the Year nominee. Nice. Alright, and this one will tell more about her. This is her in that picture. And it says, Lena is a lively little girl from Germany. She is an original Annette Himstedt Puppen kind, limited to 1-year production. It says she is 59 cm tall, 5 years old, and has blue eyes. Her blonde hair, mohair, is tied up with white silk ribbons into 2 pigtails. So she is 5 years old. All right, let's open, or let's remove her from the box. Here she is. Oh, Lena. Let's remove that one from there. Okay, so there's Lena. She has the Annette Himstedt bracelet. She also has vinyl hands, vinyl body, vinyl head with the cloth part in here. And look at that. Her eyes are not pink. Oh, I love it. I'm so happy whenever I open Annette Himstedt dolls and their eyes are not pink. So you can see she has blue eyes. And oh, she is a sitter. She's a sitter. She's not like the other dolls where she can stand and sit. This one is a sitter. You can see because she has bended knees like that and set to sit like this. All right, so those are her shoes. And this is her. She has tags, Annette Himstedt, in the head. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. So that is Lena. She's cute. And now we're going to open the third one. Her name is Morgana. Alright, so this one is Morgana. And it has her name too. It says Morgana. And the number is 749. So let's go ahead and open this one. Okay. We're gonna remove that one from there. Alright, so okay, so looks like Morgana is the club doll for 1996. It shows the name there, Morgana. It says Annette Himstedt Club, and it has her picture, and then the year 1996. That is her box, and I'm gonna remove that. Alright, so we have her COA. Alright, here's a picture of her. And it says Morgana, the 1996 club only doll. And it says Morgana is a 6 to 7 year old representing Tuscany, Italy. She has brown human hair. Okay, so this one, the other two have mohairs. Morgana has human hair. And she is the club exclusive doll for the 1996 club year. That's cool. Alright, and then this one is, there's a club. This is a pamphlet. Alright, so here's Morgana. It says, I am delighted to welcome you to new club. This club is my way of saying thank you to you all. Each year, I shall be modeling one club Puppen kind and one club kind A's porcelain. So this is for the 1996. That's Morgana. And there's Morgana with other 1996 Puppen kind of, which I don't have there. And she also has a certificate here, Annette Himstedt certificate, just like the other dolls. And okay, here it says Morgana. Morgana is a flower girl from Tuscany. She is an original Annette Himstedt Puppen kind and exclusively available to you as a club member, limited to one club year only. Morgana is 61 cm tall and about 6 to 7 years old. She has brown eyes and long, slightly undulating black hair, human hair. So that is Morgana. And at the back it says Annette Himstedt Club, and then it has a certificate number. And she has 1996 catalog. So let's see, many new ideas. So there's the articulation. That's how. Okay, so it's not really an armature or wire. This is how the shoulders are connected to the the hands are connected to the shoulder. And there's the bracelet. That's Charlie, which is the first one that we opened. And then that's Lena, the other one that we opened. And then we have Marley. I don't think I have Marley. And then who else do we have in 1996? I think that is it. 1996. Oh, and then there's Aura, limited edition of 1013. And she looks like porcelain to me. Is she? Or maybe not. It doesn't say that she's porcelain, so maybe she's not porcelain. She kind of looks like it though. But there she is, she's very beautiful. And then we have Morgana, which is of course the club doll. There she is. And there's Annette, work in the studio. That's the artist, Annette Himstedt. All right, now let's go ahead and open or remove her from the box. There she is. Hello there, Morgana. Alright, let's remove this one and put the box down. Alright, so here's Morgana. She is barefooted. She doesn't have shoes. And she also has the same as the others, vinyl legs and cloth upper leg. And here, there, this is a good one. So this is how the shoulder and the hands are connected. All right, and she has necklace. Let's put this one back. She has flowers here, which looks like real flowers, dried flowers. And look at that, she is cute. And she does have brown eyes. She has earrings too. That's cool. Let's look at the other earrings. Yep, she has earrings on both sides, both ears. And she has flowers. And she has black, long black hair. The hair is like up to below the butt. There she is. So this is the club doll. I think I'm gonna keep all the club dolls that I'm unboxing. So yesterday we did an unboxing of the 1998, and we have the baby Lycan as the club doll. This time we have Morgana for 1996. All right, so those are our 1996 Puppen Kenda. All right, so there she is. All right, so again, this is Morgana, the 1996 club doll. And with her are two 1996 Puppen Kenda, and this one is Lena. There's Lena. And the American boy from Chicago, Charlie. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Everyone, you do have a great day. Bye bye.